Today we continue talking about how to develop a model to describe how animals and plants are classified into groups or subgroups according to their similarities. To classify them, we need to look at the characteristic. What does that mean? Characteristic is being a distinguishing feature of a person or a thing. An example of how to classify living things, this one is the animal kingdom. We have the fish, the reptiles, mammals, amphibians, and the birds. So those are subgroups of the animal kingdom. What does it mean to classify? Classify is to put things in groups based on things it shares, or some characteristic that it shares, or traits that share. For example, here at Mesquite we have kinder, first, second, third, fourth, fifth grade. How do we put you in kinder? Well, most of the kindergarteners are 5 or 6-year-olds, so that's something that they share, and they go into a group, and we call that group kindergarten. Most of the first graders are 6 or 7 years old, some could be 8, and we put them in a group that is called first grade. They share something, their age is similar or same, and that's why they go into the group of first graders, or the group of fourth graders, or third grade group. Now, after that, we can have a subgroup. It would be Mrs. Alva's class, which is another group. It's a group of third graders. Or we could have Miss Heard's class, which is a subgroup of first grade. Or Miss George is another group or subgroup of a first grader. Mrs. Romero's class or group is another subgroup of the first grader at Mesquite. Mrs. Lee's class or group is another subgroup of the first graders here at Mesquite Elementary. So that's how kind of classify work, to put in a group based on something shared or something similar. In this case is your age. Your lesson for today, you're gonna have these 3 animals that you're gonna try to classify into a group, and you're gonna name that group according to their characteristic. What do they have in similar? Look at the 3 animals and see what you can find that is similar, what characteristic they have, and what would you name that group. Remember to do the activities on your Google Forms in Schoology. And for closure today, you're going to answer 2 questions. What are characteristics? And what does it mean to classify something? All these, you will find them in your Google Forms under the Science lesson for Wednesday.